Step into a new world, filled with unrivaled, discreet, almost forgotten treasures, governed by our people's passion for quality. An accurate gaze, a meticulous gesture, by those perpetuating skills for many years, the pride of our people and of our customers. Unexpected treasures just waiting to be discovered. We believe in travel and freedom. We believe in comfort and socializing, combined with an unprecedented driving experience. The perfect combination of innovation and charm. So every road leads you to wonderful discoveries, and every door opens up a new world, making every journey unforgettable, full of happiness, social times, and enjoyment. We are creating Series M.